Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete account on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is access your Instagram account first. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account which you would like to delete. Now over here, tap on this profile icon in the bottom right. Now tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Go ahead, tap on settings and privacy, and then on the first you will find the account center. Tap on it. Here in the section, scroll a bit, and here in the account settings section, tap on personal details. Now tap on this option of account ownership and control. Now go ahead, tap on this deactivation or deletion. And now you have to choose your account of Instagram right over here. Now here in this section, toggle on delete account, tap on continue, and choose a reason for you. And now go ahead, tap on this continue option at the bottom. And now it will again ask you to enter the password of your Instagram account. Go ahead, enter it accordingly. Tap on continue in the bottom section, and you will be able to delete your Instagram account accordingly, just like that. So that is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.